kitty.
He's alright. He's the best behaved kitty I've ever seen.
You reckon?
Yeah, I've a couple of pats and got so much scratches all over me.
Maybe he's just being used to being eaten by the dog.
There he
there it goes.
Okay. Okay.
Put the ball cat down, baby. I want to see what it does.
Run around crazy, yeah, that's what it would do. But I don't want that, so there it goes into the towel. Whoops! Whoops!
Whoop, there he goes.
Okay. Okay, honey.
Let him go. I want to see what he does.
No, he will
Go on.
jump in